In this video, I want to teach you how you can convert any TradingView indicator you have to a profitable strategy. Look at my screen, you can see the last indicator we converted to a strategy. It gave us a profit of 1,286%. This is massive, guys. And I am going to show you how you can convert any indicator to a strategy. Even if you have never coded, you don't know anything about PineScript programming, you can convert any indicator at all to a profitable strategy. And I am going to show you. You can see the one I've created on the screen right now. You can see it right there. You can also convert your strategy to an indicator if that is what you want to do. So this video is going to be very useful, and I am going to be as detailed as possible, but it's going to be straightforward. Okay, so if that is what you like, I want you to quickly do something. Click on the subscribe button, look to the channel, click on the subscribe button. In this channel, I share some useful educational content that can help you to be a profitable trader. Let's quickly begin. What I have here is the chart of Bitcoin, BTC USD. The first thing we have to do is to add an indicator. Go to this indicator tab and click there. Then you type any of the indicator that you want. So let's start with Bollinger Band. So you type Bollinger Band, you click on it. You see that we have added Bollinger Band to our screen, and you can see it on the chart. If you do not know how to trade using Bollinger Band, you can learn it. We are going to use the DeepSeek AI. So if you already have an account with DeepSeek AI, you can log into your DeepSeek AI. Now the third thing you need is the prompt. You cannot just go and convert the indicator to a strategy without giving it the right instruction. So if you look at this right up here, I have given it instruction what it needs to do. So I say, as a professional PineScript editor, this is the prompt we are going to give to the DeepSeek AI so that it will help us to convert the indicator to a strategy. So I say, as a professional PineScript version 6 developer, you know how to code indicators and strategies, and you can differentiate them. So that you need to let the AI to be aware that it knows how to do this. Then I want you to help convert a TradingView indicator to a strategy. Please, these are the instructions you need to follow. You have to tell the AI certain instructions that it has to follow. Convert indicator specific code to strategy specific code. Do not use any code that TradingView strategy will support, especially time frame and gap. Define those in code so that they are symmetrically the same as before. If you want to read everything that I have written here, you should pause the video and read all of it. Okay, after giving all those instructions, this is the code of the strategy of the TradingView indicator you will convert to a strategy. You will tell the AI that it's a professional developer of strategies using PineScript. Then you will give it instructions on what you want it to do. Then finally, you will paste the code that you want it to convert to a strategy. So having said that, go to the chart and look at the indicator. If you come to the indicator tab here, you will see here, this area. You will see where to delete, and you see this place. If you click on this place, you will see source code. So as I click the source code, it took us down and opened the source code for that Bollinger Band. So what you will do is to copy the source code of the Bollinger Band from here. I copy everything here and then take it to the AI. Before you paste that, you need to copy the instruction. This is the instruction that I want the AI to follow. So I copy the instruction and I take it to the AI. So when I take it to the AI, I just paste the instruction there. And next thing is to copy everything about the source code from beginning to the end. Copy the codes. Right click to copy. When you copy it, take it to the DeepSeek AI and paste it, because we already asked it what to do. So you just Ctrl V and paste. We've pasted the instruction and we have also pasted the code. Let's wait for it to do something. Sometimes it might take you up to 2 minutes for it to finish everything and give you the code, and then you can go and test the code out. You can see the DeepSeek AI is thinking. It's actually in a thinking mode. We do not know how many seconds it's going to take us. When it finishes, it's going to create its own codes. It is converting the indicator to a profitable strategy. So you can see what is happening on the screen. A lot of work is going on right now. Let's just wait and see what DeepSeek AI is going to do. You can actually try this with ChatGPT, okay, or any other AI model that you have there, but I find DeepSeek AI very, very useful. And another point is that DeepSeek AI, I can try it as many times as possible. I do not have to pay any money. When you are using ChatGPT or OpenAI, before you know it, they'll ask you to move to the premium version. But for now, DeepSeek AI gives me everything that I need. It is still taking some of our time. Let's be patient and watch it perform its work. It has generated the code for us. Let's check how many minutes it achieved that. It took us exactly 141 seconds to get that done. You just click and copy the code, take it to your TradingView. When you come to TradingView, click to create working copy, because you cannot edit the original copy. So you click to create working copy. This is a working copy, so you can delete everything you have there and paste the strategy code that DeepSeek gave to you, and then you can click save. When you click save, it will ask you to rename it. You can leave it the same or rename it Bollinger Band 3. Let me just use Bollinger Band 3. Then you click save. And when it's saved, if it saved successfully, it showed you that there is no error. So what you will just do to click to add to chart. And then this is it. What is the profit? Profitable trades were 56. It took 55 trades. And look at the profit. What do we have there as the profit? 1,286%. Isn't that amazing? That is amazing. We just converted a TradingView indicator to a strategy. And what do you see here? We are just seeing 1,286.89% profit, guys. This is amazing. Just look at this. Look at this. You see all the buy trades and close trades. You see all the trades that it took. You can click on performance. You see what it performed there. Gross loss, it will just buy and hold. Look at the percentage return, maximum equity. You can look at the drawdown and study everything. Backtest was done from December 2024 to August 5, which is today, 2025. And you see what this strategy has done for us. This is amazing. So the overview, you see here that 1,286.89%. The maximum drawdown was big actually. Then profitable trades were 56. Do you know that you can still go back to DeepSeek AI and tell it to optimize the strategy to reduce the maximum drawdown? Let's see if that will work. Just tell it what you want to accomplish. We had 83% drawdown. Make some suggestions to reduce the drawdown and implement them in the code. Okay, so I give it the instruction again. Let's hope that DeepSeek is going to help us to optimize this strategy to drop the drawdown while also maintaining the profitability. You see, having a profit of 1,000 something percent is not a small thing. Let's watch and see how that is going to be done. If I want to backtest any of my strategy, the easiest thing is...
So guys, if you want to learn how to trade Forex, I want you to check the description of this video or the pinned comment. You will see a link to chat me directly. In the Weldds Forex Academy, we take you a deep dive into Forex trading. From technical analysis, we'll go deep into fundamental analysis. Then we look at how you can backtest your strategy, create and optimize your strategy, and go into trading live. All right, so if you want to learn how to trade Forex effectively this period, I am giving you this complete course for just $80. So check the description of this video. You will see a link to chat me directly on WhatsApp, and I will be able to attend to you. You can also check the pinned comment for my details to chat me directly.
To convert that strategy to a TradingView indicator and run it in the strategy tester to show you how your strategy actually works and you can optimize it. So DeepSeek does not only help you to convert your indicator to strategy, it also improves the strategy and makes some suggestions. If you have any strategy that you want to convert it to an expert advisor, either MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, I can do it for you. You check the description of this video or the pinned comment, you will see a link to my WhatsApp. Chat me directly and I will do that for you. If you look at what is going on here, it says that the server is busy. Server busy, please try again later. You are not the only one using DeepSeek. Sometimes you will see this. So you will either wait and try it later, or you retry. So let's retry and see what it will help us to do. It has actually resumed. The server was busy. It's taking some time, but no problem. We'll soon be done. When you give the instruction, what you can just do, you can take a walk. You can go and have a cup of coffee and then come back. If it's a human being that is doing this, it might take more to think through this. But AI is doing it in minutes. We have to appreciate the power of artificial intelligence. Guys, we are getting to the end. You can see it's beginning to generate codes for us. This is very important. This will show you that maybe in the next 1 minute we'll be done. Okay, so these are improvements that it has made. And let's see how this plays out. So we quickly copy it, take it back to your Pine editor, go to your Pine editor, remove all the previous codes and paste the new one. So we have pasted the new one. Let's update it on the chart. This is something I wanted to show you because you will encounter some of these challenges when you are coding. It has two problems. It was not able to compile clearly. When you encounter this kind of problems, how do you solve them? This is what you will do. There are two problems. This is problem one, happened in line 66. So what I will just do is to copy the error, then take it to your notebook, paste the error, and then you click this drop down to go to the next one. The next one happened in line 2. Copy that error, then take it back to your notepad and paste it there. And then say this error was seen in line 2. Make sure you confirm that it was in line 2. So you can see here, line 2. Paste it on my notepad. And I say in line 2. Why I did not do it in the DeepSeek AI direct? Sometimes when you want to copy and write in it, you just start running. But I don't want to do that. So I take it back to DeepSeek AI. Open DeepSeek AI and just paste those two errors. It will know what to do. You paste it. You paste the two errors that you identify and watch for how it will solve it. Now, sometimes when you paste, it might be busy like this. A lot of things are going on in the background, so just be patient with it. Maybe other people are using. This is a free AI, and a lot of people are using it. So sometimes it will be very busy. Let's just give it some time. It showed us that the server is busy. What you just do is retry. The server is still busy. Maybe by this time a lot of people are using it and the server is busy. So you can either come back later and try it, or you just retry. In case you try any strategy and it works, I want you to comment on this video. Tell us the strategy and the percentage profit that it gave to you, and then how that can also help other people. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I want you to click on the subscribe button and be a part of this community. We'll be sharing some valuable tools that will help you to optimize your trading, especially in this AI era. You cannot afford to miss it. So guys, you can see it has given us another code. So if you copy this code, we have to delete the codes and paste the new one. So this is the updated one. Let's see what will happen. So it updated successfully. Now what we can see here is that it actually gave us a total profit of 11%. Now the drawdown reduced to 9.33%. So what we see that DeepSeek AI actually can help you to reduce the drawdown. It reduced the drawdown from 80-something% down to 9.33%. But what we also discover is that the profit also dropped to 11% instead of 1,000 something. If you have enough time, you can tweak your strategy, go back and forth until you get something that actually is what you are looking for. So that is a way for you to work with DeepSeek AI. You can actually test any other indicator that you want also. If you check the trades, you will know what the AI did wrongly and where you can ask it to make improvement so that you can improve on your percentage as well. So this is basically how you can convert any TradingView indicator into strategy. If you have been looking for a way to backtest your strategy using AI, I've created a video that you can watch it. If you are looking for manual backtesting software you can use for free, I also created this other video. You can watch them.